Gold is testing a critical levels right now, and next week move could catch most of traders off guard. Welcome back to Trade Hunter. Today we skip the fluff and dive straight into the gold chart to plan your trading week. Let's get into it. Looking at the daily time frame, the gold market remains strictly bearish. This past Thursday, price action confirmed our bearish bias by printing yet another clean lower low on the one-day chart. Right here, we can clearly identify a significant daily fair value gap. This fair value gap is going to be our key area of interest for next week trading step. Now, let's drop down to the 4-hour time frame. Looking at the 4-hour chart, price has formed a bullish pin bar, triggering a short-term uptrend. However, we need to stay cautious because the overall 4-hour market structure remains strictly bearish. Now, let's scale down to the 1-hour time frame. In this specific area, we can spot another clear 1-hour fair value gap. Let's drop down even further to 15-minute chart. And right here, we can see a micro fair value gap forming as well. Now that we have all our key levels marked out from the daily down to the 15-minute chart, let's break down exactly how gold is expected to move next week and look at our potential trading scenarios. My primary thesis is for the price to sweep Friday low to grab liquidity, migrate this 15-minute fair value gap right here, and the bounce to the upside. However, we have to keep a secondary scenario in mind. Market makers might push price even deeper to fill our marked 1-hour fair value gap before officially continue the uptrend. If this bullish reversal pay out, my maximum upside target is lined up perfectly with the Fibonacci 0618 retracement level, which sits right inside our daily fair value gap. This gives us a massive confluence zone for next week. As mentioned in my previous video, and you can click the pop-up card right here if you missed that detailed breakdown. We need to closely watch this bullish structure due to macro factors like capital rotation and rumors of the final peace treaty regarding geopolitical tension. However, keep in mind that if we get bad news or negative US economic data and gold breaks below Thursday's low, this entire bullish case is invalidated. If that happens, we face serious risk of massive drop all the way down to 3,800 level. So, those are the exact bullish and bearish scenarios I am tracking for the gold next week. If you found this top-down analysis helpful, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe to Trade Hunter, and drop a comment below with your target for gold. Manage your risk wisely, and I will see you in the next breakdown.